Hello everyone, my name is Wyatt. I am one of the student clerks at the Cottageville Library, and today, because our story is Jack and the Beanstalk, we're going to be making a beanstalk. You might be wondering, how are we going to make a beanstalk with some pieces of paper and some tubes? Well, stick around and I'll show you. First, what you're going to need is this craft pack, which has these two pieces of paper. One is completely blank, one has the leaves. And there will either be 3 little tubes or 1 big tube. Then, out of your supply bag, you are going to need scissors and tape. We'll put these aside because we don't need them. We'll put these with the paper. So first, what we're going to do to make our beanstalk is we're going to take the tubes. If you have 1 big tube, this part does not apply. So, first, you're going to take a tube and you're going to pinch the end. Poke it in to make it smaller. And then push this down to make it like that. Then, you're going to take the tube that will be the center of the beanstalk and you're going to push it in there to make a big tube. Now, since those are folded down, you're going to want to push your finger in and unfold them so that it's straight down like that. So then it won't come out. Then you're going to repeat that once more. So like I said, you're going to push it in like this and then pinch those sides in. Then you're going to poke those in. See, the reason for it is, that's not straight through, but once you push these flaps down, if they go down, pretty much it'll be clear all the way through. So once you have this, you're going to take your piece of paper, the blank one, not the one with the leaves, and you're going to lay it on the table and set your tube on it, making sure that the tube is approximately the same size as the paper. If it's a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, that is okay. You don't have to worry about it too much. Alright, so then you're going to get your tape. I don't have a dispenser, so we're going to have to work like this. And you're going to cut it off. Cut off a little piece, just a little piece, you don't need too much. I think I just taped it to itself, if that is okay. So what you're going to do, take your tube and your paper and line them up. Then tape the piece of paper to the tube like so. Then you're going to roll it. You're going to completely cover your tube in the green paper. So it's like the stalk of the bean plant, the bean stalk. Mild technical difficulties. So once you're sure you have that tight, wrap it around, get it all good to go. Then you're going to take a piece of tape, or actually get two pieces of tape, and tape one near the end of both sides. Ta-da! And now we have our beanstalk. But that's kind of boring. That doesn't really look like a beanstalk. So we're going to need some leaves. And this is where you can divulge in your creativity. If you want to take something, all I have is a Sharpie, so it's not going to look very good. If you want to decorate the leaves a bit, add the veins throughout the leaf, doodle on them a bit. You can also doodle on here a bit, draw some like little lines to make it look like a vine. Make it your own. And then we're going to cut each of these leaves out. Alright, we've got our leaves cut out. So now we're going to tape them on here to make our beanstalk. So just tape them wherever you want, however many you want. This part is absolutely up to you. Make it your own beanstalk. You don't want it to look like everyone else's beanstalk. I think one will go there. Perfect. Spread them out a bit. Just get your leaves wherever you think they should go. Then write your name on one of the leaves before putting it on, and put it wherever. Ta-da! Wyatt. And I'm going to stick this one right here close to the bottom. And then one more leaf. Perfect. So here is our beanstalk. I hope you made one at home with me. And you might notice it's a bit small, but that's okay, because you're going to please bring these back to the library and drop them off, and then online you'll get to watch them grow. So this is a bit of a collaborative effort, so once you make it, make sure to bring it back here, and then we're going to grow them. So thank you all so much for making this craft with me today. I really enjoyed it, and I hope y'all did too. So, thank you for being a part of our summer reading program, and I will see y'all later.